Hello everyone and welcome. Today we will make this abstract design in Blender 4.0. It's easy and step by step you will see how it's easy to make it. So before starting, don't forget to support me with like, subscribe, and let's get started. First, select the light, X, delete. Select the cube, go to modifier, add modifier, generate, subdivide AV2, add modifier, solidify, give it 0.04. Generate, subdivide, give it 2. Now shadow smooth. Add modifier, displace, hit new. Here in image or movie, choose marble. Leave all this as he is. Now go back to modifier, add modifier, generate, subdivide, give it 2. Now go here, mesh, add a plane, S or scale, GZ, hit 0, hit N, view, camera to view. Go back to modifier, select the cube here, go back here, just like this. Now here, when you see the plus up, and here go to shader editor. Select the plane first, it's metallic. The roughness we give it 0.1. We select the cube, go here and add shader, add a shader. Now I'm go add shader, glass BSDF connected here. I add a converter, a color ramp. Here we connect to the glass BSDF. Now I add input. Here in input, pre-nil. I connect it to color ramp, press nil. Now here give it 0. We will change the color, but first we go into the world, as always, sky texture. Here degrees to 0.2. Here in the sun rotation 120. Now we switch to cycles. I activate my GPU. Here I decrease to 30. Here 0.1, and here I give it 500. In the light pad, left click, select all, and give it 5. Disable this and this, and go to color management, high contrast. Now if we switch to viewport shading, now here I give it blue like this, metallic. I decrease the roughness to 0.1, and here I change the color. The white color, I give it yellow. Now we give this just 0.01. Now here in the sun intensity we decrease to 0.2. This I change it to maybe, you choose any color you want. I go back here, the yellow, the blue, I change it to now. If we go to render image to see how look as or abstract, it's not bad, but I think we will change Now we go back in the render image. Maybe we can change a little the shining here to get more detail, like this. I think it's better now. Here in the white color, I will change it to maybe just like this. Now we will see is it better or not. As you can see, it's easy, it's simple. I hope that you enjoy to make this abstract design with me. So before you tell you goodbye, don't forget to support me with like, comment and subscribe. So I see you in the next tutorial.